uh, Sir Ernie, for how you cited historical facts about spiritual condition, both in the New Testament and the Old Testament and the New Testament. Uh, it was through the leadership of Moses and Abraham, no? When God handed down the Ten Commandments, and that we were living under the law, right? But eventually, no one obeyed it, no? Followed it, no? So here comes the New Testament in Christ, no? In Christ, where is just this two commandments. So it just simplified. Love God with all your heart, with all your mind, and with your soul. Love your neighbor as you love yourself. Oh? So these are the greatest commandments that God has given to us. Now, I agree what you have said that our people know about Christianity. But then the problem is that they don't know about Christ. And this is the same perception that I heard from different Bible scholars or magagaling na komentary ng Diyos. No? Na supposedly walang gulo sa Israel at saka walang kalaban if they know who Christ is. No? But they know how Christ is not the issue of territorial issue or other video issues, no? As the cause of this long fight, no? Or long struggle by both parties, no? So, yan po yung aking observation, no? And of course, I would susukan ko lang yung question din ni Commodore, no? The real situation in our country, which I think is the most expected know-how that we want to know, no? Sa ngayon, present condition in terms of our governance and future, no? As we look forward for our new city program in relation with forthcoming election initiated by Bishop Ring and Pastor Jojo regarding our invitation to the political candidates to share or shed light about their platforms, no? Very interesting, no? Let's prepare that on October 1st, no? To invite our friends, no? To hear about him. So, yan lang po, and how do you forecast, no? The present and the future of our country? Thank you.